So let's look at this weekend's box office reports at the Indian box office. Pushpa 2 The Rule collects 1734 to 1831 crores worldwide. Emergency collects 12 crores worldwide in its opening weekend. Daku Maharaj collects 124 to 156 crores worldwide. Sankranti Ki Vastunam collects 161 to 182 crores worldwide. Marco collects 103 crores worldwide. Madhu Gaja Raja collects 42 crores worldwide. Game Changer collects 194 crores worldwide. Rekha Chitram collects 47 crores worldwide. Fateh collects 16 crores worldwide. Identity collects 33 crores worldwide. Mufasa collects 172 crores in India. Azad collects 5 crores worldwide in its opening weekend. After that, Ye Jawani Hai Diwani re-release collects 24 crores worldwide. After that, let's look at the USA box office report for this weekend, and the first place goes to Mufasa the Lion King with $11.7 million. Second place goes to One of Them Days with $11.6 million in its opening weekend. Third place goes to Wolfman with $10.9 million in its opening weekend. After that, Wolfman collects $15 million at the worldwide box office in its opening weekend. Sonic the Hedgehog 3 collects $419 million worldwide. Mufasa the Lion King $588 million worldwide. Nosferatu $155 million worldwide. Moana 2 $1.009 billion worldwide. Wicked $708 million worldwide. Gladiator 2 $458 million worldwide. A Complete Unknown $57 million worldwide. Baby Girl $30 million worldwide. The Substance $50 million worldwide. Den of Thieves 2 $31 million worldwide. Now let's look at the top 10 highest grossing movies of 2024 at the worldwide box office. The first place goes to Inside Out 2 with 1.697 billion. Second place goes to Deadpool and Wolverine with 1.337 billion. Third place goes to Moana 2 with 1.009 billion. Fourth place goes to Despicable Me 4 with 968 million. Fifth place goes to Dune 2 with 711 million. The sixth place goes to Wicked with 708 million. The seventh place goes to Mufasa the Lion King with 588 million. The eighth place goes to Godzilla X Kong with 569 million. The ninth place goes to Kung Fu Panda 4 with 545 million. The 10th place goes to YOLO with $499 million. Now let's look at the top 10 highest grossing Indian movies worldwide of 2024. The first place goes to Pushpa 2 The Rule with 1734 to 1831 crores. Second place goes to Kalki 2898 AD with 1061 to 1155 crores. Third place goes to Stree 2 with 881 crores. The fourth place goes to The Greatest of All Time with 455 crores. The fifth place goes to Devara with 450 to 509 crores. The sixth place goes to Bulbulaya 3 with 389 to 421 crores. The seventh place goes to Singham Again with 386 crores. The eighth place goes to Fighter with 360 crores. The ninth place goes to Amaran with 333 crores. The 10th place goes to Hanuman with 300 crores at the worldwide box office. So please like and share this video with more people and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. You can watch the videos over here as well, and follow my social media handles at the Newsdom is the handle name for all the latest updates. Links are in the description, so please follow and subscribe to the channel for more videos.